Hello everyone, this is Professor Govind. Let's understand today the concept called intranets. We all know the broad meaning of internet. Internet is interconnection of networks. And the subset of internet is called intranet, and also like intranet we have is extranet. Let's understand what intranet is. Intranet is the computer network developed within an organization using internet technology to deliver the organization's internal information from one computer to other computer or from one user to other user. One thing to understand here is it is developed using the same technology, or it is designed using the same technology, that of internet, like using the same cables, using the same modems, devices like modems, etc., or access points. But the only difference between intranet and internet is internet is available globally, worldwide, whereas intranet is available only within organization. An intranet is a private network that can only be accessed by authorized users within organizations. The prefix intra means internal and net is the network through which we can share information. So intra or internal means information can be shared amongst computers or users within organization. The primary purpose of an intranet is to help employees or people working in the organization to securely communicate amongst each other, to store information, and also to help collaboration. For example, a business may create an intranet to allow employees to securely share messages or files or any kind of information with each other securely. Characteristics of intranet, or the qualities that intranet has. Each user is provided with a browser, an interface called browser, through which organizational web pages can be accessed, data can be sent or received. The facilities those can be accessed on intranet include email. Email is an internal email through which employees or staff of any organization can share information with each other within organization. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, through which they can share information such as files, any kind of file, like images, like Word files, presentations, etc. with each other, again within organization, or mail servers or even web servers, etc. So intranet is a subset of internet. The only difference, as I said earlier, is internet is available worldwide to share information, whereas intranet is available within organization. Intranet is the backbone of something called paperless organization or paperless environment, where each and every set of information can be received or can be sent using the help of intranet within organization. Thank you everyone.